Happy 18th birthday, ate.
Happy 18th birthday, ate. You know how much we love you. I wish you nothing but all the best and happiness. May God protect, guide, and bless you always. Andito lang kami nila Mami, Daddy, at Kate para sa iyo. Thank you sa pag-guide mo sa amin ni Kate and being there for us always. We are always proud of you. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate, my eating buddy. We hope and always pray that God grants all of our wishes for you. Thank you for taking care of us.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Kaisel. Sana matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo. Nandito lang kami nakasuporta sa'yo. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Hazel.
More birthdays to come.
Happy 18th birthday, Kaisel. Wishing you a day filled with happiness and a year filled with joy. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kaisel. Magka-college ka na, no? Ayun lang. Wag ka lang matatakot sa tatahakin mong course. Enjoyin mo lang. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
To my ride-or-die cousin who has been there for me always, happy 18th birthday, Ate Kaisel. I wish that you won't put yourself under pressure now that you have reached legal age. Being on legal age comes with its challenges, but then again, I am hoping and wishing you the best. May you be filled with joy, love, and growth as you embark on this new journey. May you also find the courage to pursue your dreams. I wish you a bright future and an unforgettable year ahead. Happy birthday, Ate Hazel.
Happy birthday, ate. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw na to. Pasensya ka na. Wala ka dun sa ng mami mo. Sa pinakamalagang araw ng buhay mo. Lalo pag 18th birthday mo. Gusto mo namin makawin ng mami mo. Kaya lang, hindi namin nakaya. Pasensya na ulit. Happy birthday, ate, again. Kung si mami mo pinapayagan ka na magka-boyfriend, sa akin okay lang din naman, pero sana huwag mong madaliin. Darating din ang araw na yon. Darating at darating yun. Huwag mo lang madaliin natin. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. We love you, ate.